Hey guys, this is Ace here with Hillbilly How To's. Today I'm going to show you how to tie a hook on a fishing line. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to tie a very basic knot. This is very simple, but it's a very strong knot to tie there to your hook. I've never had this knot to break. The line or something else breaks before this knot does. To start out, here's the end of your line. You want to get about 6 to 7 inches, and then just double it. So you've got doubled line there, about 6 to 7 inches long. You want to make sure your loop is pretty small because it's got to go through the eye of the hook. Then once you got that, then you want to loop it like you're tying the first part of tying your shoe. And you got that, and then you want to make sure that this loop is big enough to get the hook through this loop. And here's the most important part. You want to make sure when you pull this tight that all of the line sucks up on the eye of the needle and not down here. So make sure it's tight there on the eye, and you can pull one and pull the other just to help it secure, and then pull both, and then take your finger and push it against the eye there, and then your extra here, you want to cut this off, but I always leave just a little bit just in case. Let's see. If you leave just a little bit, if you do get a big fish on there and he's pulling really hard, it'll give the knot a little room to slip but not break. Alright, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button and please subscribe. Thank you.